in the vast expanse of the Australian wilderness, where the scorched earth bears witness to the merciless dance of the wildfires. Our property was the last bit of green in a desolate landscape. After the inferno, we emerged, survivors of nature's fury, determined to breathe life back into the earth. So we decided to plant some more fruit trees. We've got a loquat tree and an apple tree to plant into the ground. Our outhouse is also taking shape, and we're adding some steel corrugated sheeting as the shower panels today. Paul's just digging a hole for the loquat to go into, and we need to use wire fences like guardians protecting our fragile oasis from the relentless appetites of the hungry wildlife. In the past, when dusk had fallen, we battled to shield our harvest from those who roam in search of sustenance. Mostly kangaroos, but we do have goats and pigs and things as well. And whoever thought that potato flowers could look so magnificent?
So the plan is this morning that I'm just going to put some paneling on here. So what I've got is I've cut some mini orb corrugate just at the back there, and there's a channel here, so I'm gonna fill that channel with silicone, put the mini corrugate in, have all the 3 panels hanging out, put another channel down the back of them with silicone in it, and then push it back against the panel. So it will make sense once you see it, and I'll give you an update halfway through, but that's the plan for this morning. Okay, so I've got one side of the paneling up, so as you can see, right up to the top beam there, come across. I've got to finish off all the inside here, but for now that's the finish. I'll clean up some of the silicone down the sides later. It's a bit messy, but yeah, we'll slowly clean up. So that's the mini orb shower panels. So that's my plan. So they'll probably rust up a bit, but that's fine. Yeah, so I think it looks all right.
And now Paul's planting the pink lady apple tree. He'll need to cut this tree basically in half for it to be able to grow properly. The neighs of distant companions become a symphony. For on the edge of this rugged paradise, the neighbours' horses, wise and instinctual, have found solace and respite, seeking refuge from the recent echoes of the fire that touched their pastures. These majestic creatures roam freely, and their coats gleam like copper sun dipping below the horizon. Truffles, with a keen understanding of the unspoken language of the wild, observes the newcomers with a curious gaze. The ever-present threat of wildfires looms large, a shadow in the wind. A distant hum announced the arrival of a fire truck and also a helicopter. An ominous reminder of the unpredictable nature of our surroundings. A helicopter circles overhead, a vigilant eye searching for smouldering embers that could reignite the wrath of the flames. The urgent thrum of its blades echoes through the granite corridors and green meadows below. The helicopter, a modern intruder in this ancient dance, seems to scan the landscape with intensity. Just hovering like a hummingbird. This helicopter looks like it's with the police. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Tina, and our family bought 140 acres off the grid in Australia 2 years ago now. When we bought our property, we had a vision to cultivate a food forest and to embrace a more self-sufficient lifestyle and to live a more simple life. We've been trying to nurture a diverse range of plants and create a thriving ecosystem that not only sustains our family but contributes to the health of the land. Our goal has always been to live a more intentional and meaningful life, and as our boys grow into men, we're adapting our lifestyle to accommodate their individual paths while staying true to our values. Truffles is a loyal and untamed spirit. She chases the whisper of the wind, weaving through the boulders like a ghost in the wilderness, a faithful companion in this realm of raw beauty. Truffles, with eyes gleaming like the stars, heads back home after a wild pursuit, a dance with the untamed. In this haven of granite and green, where the echoes of the past dance with the whispers of the present, a story unfolds, a story of resilience, of harmony, and of the simple joys found in the heart of the untamed. Welcome to a world where the wild and the free entwine, where Truffles, with a heart as wild as the land, calls this rugged sanctuary home. You can see all the black patches of burnt ground behind the helicopter there. And then, as abruptly as it arrived, the helicopter moves on into the distance. The off-grid haven returns to its timeless rhythm. The granite boulders regain their silent composure, and the green grass breathes a sigh of relief. Amidst the struggle of all the drama of the fires, life persists. Our son is a symbol of perseverance, graduating from high school, an achievement marked by the contrast of hope against the backdrop of our scorched reality. We are so proud of the young man that he's become. And yet in the cycle of life there is also loss. A solemn farewell to my aunt, a reminder that even in the harshest of times, life remains both relentless and fragile. Truffles, the spirited canine companion, catches the scent of the wild. With ears perked and eyes alight, she embarks on a pursuit through the granite labyrinth, chasing the shadows of kangaroos that graze in the meadows. Bounding effortlessly over the rugged terrain, it becomes her playground. Our chickens have been laying eggs in abundance, a surplus that calls for a celebration. A quiche baked in the heart of our barbecue is bound to be a tasty treat. In the aftermath of another bushfire, we stand strong. This is our saga, our story of an off-grid family, carving a legacy on the canvas of adversity, painting a vibrant tapestry against the backdrop of an untamed and relentless land. In this timeless realm, where granite boulders, green grass, horses, kangaroos, and the loyal dog weave their stories into the fabric of our life, the enchantment lingers. The off-grid sanctuary, bathed in the glow of the Southern Cross, stands as a testament to the interconnected dance of life.